This neighborhood is exceptional for what we do, Section 8 real estate investing. We want to attract a family, someone that's going to stay for a long period of time and offer them a nice, clean environment to live. If you look at these homes, they're very, very, very nice. They look like $500,000 houses. We picked up this property here behind me for $70,000. Spent about $40,000 in the renovations. It's about 95% done, and we're going to walk through it today so you can kind of get an idea as to what we do and what our target finished product looks like. This type of neighborhood, this type of house. They're going to do some painting on the exterior. They have to scrape some of the siding here. They're going to paint the deck. They're going to paint the front door. A couple things. And this property we put all brand new windows, brand new kitchen, brand new flooring. It was really top to bottom, like a top to bottom renovation. This is all going to get fixed. This will get scraped and painted. There's a touch-up paint here. Basement. They're testing a lot of plumbing, so this moisture that you're seeing right here, we basically had a 2-month period. We're waiting for the city of Cleveland to turn on the water and then turn it off and then turn it back on. But because of the snow, they simply didn't do it. And so it took a while for them to actually do it. So they've been basically running tests for the last week to make sure everything's 100% before we move forward with listing it for rent on Section 8. So touch-up paint here. And then this was an attic that we've made into a 4th bedroom. So it'll be a 4-bedroom house. I believe we'll rent this for between $1,850 and $2,100 a month. Some of the biggest misconceptions with Section 8 are people want to get, all they care about is their cash on cash return. They want the highest return, but in most cases that return's never realized because they sacrifice the neighborhood above that hypothetical return, so they have more turnover, more repairs. It's just a hassle. But when you buy homes like this in really, really good neighborhoods, people move in and they don't want to move out because there's no nicer alternative. There's not a nicer house, there's not a nicer neighborhood, and if the management's on point and they know that if there's a problem they can reach out to us, that it gets taken care of, they're going to want to stay put. And for us as the management company, it makes life easy, and all we can focus on is stacking doors, buying more and more and more high quality properties, fixing them, putting the right tenants in place, and growing, scaling. I mean, look at this neighborhood, look up here, at this street over here. Imagine you're on Section 8 and you live here. Your kids are playing in the street out here. They have friends around here. Where is there a nicer place to go? There's not, right? You're not going to want to leave. At least that's what we found so far. All of our Section 8 tenants, they don't want to leave. They are very, very happy. They're content. They take care of the houses, and it's just been a massive win for us so far.